Looking for a portable speaker that combines powerful sound, colorful RGB lighting, multiple playback options, and long battery life without taking up too much space? This is the BassBloom Roar 3, a 20-watt portable Bluetooth speaker that promises up to 24 hours of playback, TWS stereo pairing, an LED display, and support for Bluetooth, AUX, USB drives, and memory cards. But does it actually deliver good enough sound and features for everyday use? Let's unbox it, test the sound, and find out. Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the Roar 3 speaker from BassBloom. This is a portable speaker with 20 watts of power output. It also comes with IP6 protection and an LED display. On the side of the box, we can see some of the product's main specifications. So, let's unbox it first and see what is included inside the package. The first thing we get inside the box is, of course, the speaker itself. Along with the speaker, we also receive two cables. The first one is a USB-A to USB Type-C cable, which is mainly used for charging the speaker. The second one is a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. Using this cable, you can connect the speaker to any device that has a 3.5mm audio jack, especially a laptop, desktop computer, or compatible smartphone. We also get a small user manual. If we open it, we can see that it explains the speaker's different functions in detail. It includes information about what each button does, Bluetooth mode, the different indicators, charging instructions, and other important operating details. Now let's take a closer look at the product itself and see what features it offers. The exterior of the speaker is covered with a mesh-style fabric material. On this side, we can see the BassBloom logo, and there is also an RGB lighting panel that produces different lighting effects while the speaker is operating. At the bottom, there is a bass boost section, along with 3 rubber grips. These rubber feet help keep the speaker stable when it is placed on a table or any other flat surface. The speaker also comes with a carrying strap, which allows you to hang it or carry it easily. On the top, we have the LED display. Beside it, there is a power button, volume up and volume down buttons, a play and pause button, a lighting mode control, and a dedicated equalizer button. There is also a small microphone opening or microphone input section. On the back, we can see a rubber cover. The labels on the cover include AUX, TF, DC 5 volts, and USB. When we open the cover, we can see all the available ports. There is a USB-A port, which allows you to play music directly from a USB flash drive. There is also a USB Type-C port for charging the speaker. Next, we have the AUX port. Using the included 3.5mm cable, you can connect the speaker to a laptop, smartphone, desktop computer, or any other compatible audio device. There is also a dedicated TF or microSD card slot. According to the specifications, you can insert a memory card of up to 32 GB and play music directly from it. Now let's power on the speaker. To turn it on, simply press and hold the power button for approximately 2 seconds. As you can see, the speaker has now powered on. The LED display is showing that the battery level is currently at 96%. To turn the speaker off, press and hold the same power button for around 2 seconds. So, pressing and holding the power button for 2 seconds turns the speaker on or off. If you press and hold it for approximately 10 seconds, the speaker will perform a factory reset. You can also double press the power button to change the operating mode. As you can see, the mode is changing, and the RGB lighting is also becoming active. The volume up button can be used to increase the volume. If you press and hold it for around 2 seconds, it will skip to the next track. The volume down button decreases the volume. If you press and hold it for around 2 seconds, it will return to the previous track. The play and pause button can be used to play or pause the music. There is also a dedicated equalizer button. By pressing this button, you can switch between different equalizer presets such as rock, pop, and classic. You can select whichever sound profile you prefer. Now, let's connect the speaker to our smartphone and perform a sound test. Connecting the Roar 3 to a smartphone is very simple. As you can see, the speaker is already connected to my phone under the Bluetooth name Roar 3. It was automatically connected because I had paired it with this phone previously. Now, I'm going to play some music. As you can see, I can control the phone's media volume directly using the volume buttons on the speaker. When I press the minus button, the volume decreases. When I press the plus button, the volume increases. I can also control playback using the play and pause button. When I press it once, the music pauses. Pressing it again resumes the music. If I press and hold the volume up button for approximately 2 seconds, it skips to the next song. Similarly, if I press and hold the volume down button for approximately 2 seconds, it returns to the previous song. The EQ button allows you to listen to the music using different equalizer settings. Each preset slightly changes the sound signature depending on the type of music you are listening to. Because of copyright restrictions, we cannot play music directly from our personal mobile playlist in this video. Instead, we are going to use copyright-free NCS music for the sound test. We are now playing an NCS track from YouTube. Let's increase the volume and test how the speaker performs at full volume. Whenever you increase or decrease the volume, the LED display shows the current volume level. This makes it easy to see exactly how loud the speaker is set. The play and pause button also controls the RGB light show. A single press plays or pauses the music. If you double press the button, it changes the lighting mode. As you can see, the speaker offers several different lighting effects. You can choose the lighting style according to your mood. It includes solid colors, fading effects, color transitions, blinking effects, and several other lighting patterns. If you press and hold this button for approximately 5 seconds, the speaker will disconnect from the currently connected Bluetooth device. The Roar 3 comes with a 2,400 mAh battery. According to the manufacturer, it can provide up to 24 hours of music playback when used at around 50% volume. It also takes almost 3 hours to charge itself from 0 to 100. The speaker also offers a wireless connection range of approximately 10 meters. As long as your connected device remains within 10 meters, the Bluetooth connection should remain stable. If you move too far outside the connection range, the speaker may automatically disconnect. Another interesting feature of this speaker is TWS mode. TWS stands for True Wireless Stereo. If you have another compatible BassBloom speaker of the same model, you can connect both speakers together. Once connected, one speaker will work as the left audio channel, and the other will work as the right audio channel. The same music will play through both speakers at the same time, giving you a wider and more immersive stereo sound experience. With only one Roar 3 speaker, you get a standard single-speaker listening experience. However, when two compatible speakers are connected through TWS mode, you get a much better stereo effect. We also noticed that the main speaker driver is located around this particular section. Hopefully, you can see it clearly. We are using the light reflection to show you the exact position of the internal speaker driver. Most of the sound appears to be generated from this area, while the other section seems to contain less internal speaker hardware. So, what is our final verdict on the BassBloom Roar 3? Overall, the Roar 3 is a practical and feature-packed portable speaker for casual music listening, small gatherings, indoor use, and outdoor activities. The 20-watt output provides a reasonably loud sound, while the bass boost and multiple equalizer modes allow you to adjust the audio according to your preference. The LED display is useful for checking the battery and volume levels, and the RGB lighting adds a fun visual element, especially when using the speaker at night or during a party. We also like the number of connectivity options available. You can play music through Bluetooth, AUX, a USB flash drive, or a microSD card. The TWS feature is another major advantage because connecting two compatible speakers can provide a wider and more immersive stereo experience. The carrying strap, rubber grips, and protective port cover also make it convenient for portable use. However, this is still a compact single speaker system, so you should not expect the same level of softer separation, deep bass, or overall clarity that you would get from a larger or more expensive speaker. For the best stereo experience, you would need to pair 2 units through TWS mode. But considering its portable design, long battery life, RGB lighting, multiple playback options, and 20-watt output, the BassBloom Roar 3 offers a good overall package. If you are looking for an affordable and versatile portable speaker for everyday entertainment, the Roar 3 could definitely be worth considering. We will include the purchase link in the video description. If you liked a speaker or are interested in purchasing it, make sure to check the description box, where you will find all the relevant links. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. We will see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching, and until then, take care.